Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel GISNRSX. Today I will discuss about how to download real-time global dynamic world LULC, that means land use land cover data, 10-meter resolution. So now I will discuss details step by step. At first, we take our USDOS country boundary polygon from search bar of Google Earth Engine. So simply type here USDOS. So here large scale international boundary polygon simplified. All the country boundary shape file and shape available here. So we simply copy this collection snippet and paste here. Already I put here the USDOS LSIB simple 2017. So put here and set the variable name countries. So all over the world country boundary shapefile stored under the variable name countries. Then we filter our region of interest or our study area. So set the countries, we call the variable name countries, then dot filter is filter function dot dot filter dot eq country name Bangladesh. If you use instead of country name, we use country code. So simply simple way. This I use the country name string. The US recognize country name. If you want country code, country code, uh, simply copy this link from here and paste in Google Chrome. Then we find all uh, country code and country name. So then you use suppose BA, that means Bahrain, BG, that means Bangladesh. So all over the country set and country code stored here. Then we set our country. We use I use country name. Then set the US recognized country name Bangladesh. Uh, this is stored in the variable name ROI, region of interest. My region of interest, this country name is Bangladesh. Then we set the our study deadline start date 2018 1st January to 2018 31st December. So time length 1 year, start date and end date set. Then we call the call call our Google Earth Engine public data set Google dynamic world. So we already I put here. I will show you this. Okay, so the dynamic world v1 dataset availability. Already I open in another tab. So dynamic world v1 dataset availability 2015 to 2023. The dataset provider World Resources Institute Google. So earth engine snippets, EE dot image collection, Google Dynamic World V1. So we simply copy and put here E dot image collection. So I already put here and set a variable name dw. If you want use another variable name, suppose if you want use dynamic, you can say to no problem dynamic. So this data set, dynamic world data set is stored in the variable name dynamic. Then we filter our date, filter date, use filter date function, start date to end date. So then we take another variable name dynamic image. So we call this we call this dynamic data set, Google dynamic data set, call dw. We change the variable name dw. Yes, sorry. What is simply paste here. So we call the variable name dynamic, then use mosaic function, mosaic, and then we use cliff function that cliff our region of interest area, our region of interest area, country name Bangladesh. So this cliff function cliff our region of interest area. Then we use print function dw e dot image, and then call the variable name the dynamic image, and when we run this code, when this print function uh, print our image in uh, our console tab, right panel show our console tab. So then display the classified image using label band. So again I show you the description of our dynamic world v1 data set, public data set. So here the band, here the available 10 band: water, trees, grass, flooded vegetation, crops, sharp and scrubs, the field, bare land, snow and ice, and level. This is zero. We, uh, we show here the 10 or 9 data set, 9 level or 9 band here. Is water description, estimated probability of complete coverage by water. Trees description, estimated probability of the complete coverage by trees. Grass, estimated probability of complete coverage by grass. Then we find here the 9 data set: ice, snow and ice, estimated probability of complete coverage by snow and ice. So the level class, each level classes and in unique value 0. Unique value start from 0, 1, 0 to 8, and this color band use what the 419b 419bdf is identify the water. 397D49 identify the trees. They and all the 9 band are unique value for color. So if you want set color plated from here, simply copy from here and paste in code editor. So back to code editor, then take another variable name classification. Then we call the variable dynamic image. Dynamic image dot select dot label. We select dot label, select the label, and then use uh, visualization parameter. We take another variable dynamic visparam, that means dynamic visualization parameter, minimum 0 to maximum 8. There are total 9 class. And then use color plate. This is color plate already. uh, this color plate mention this data set, 9 color palette for each class. Water indicate this color palette, trees indicate this color palette. So copy from here and put in code editor, then color palette set here. Then we use map.add_layer as a find as a layer. Map.add_layer, we call the variable name classification. Here all the label stored classification. Then say, use the dynamic visualization parameter and set as a layer name. Set as a layer name dynamic. Set as a layer name dynamic classified image. Then we use map.center object. Then center object focus our region of interest ROI, and zoom level is 7. So then we click to the run. Wait a minute. Something networking issue. Wait a minute. Okay. So we see our region of interest area Bangladesh, country boundary shape, the east class. So total 9 class available here. Already we set the color plate 0 to 8, total 9. Total 9 color band use here. So we show our region of interest, LULC, land use land cover classification map, interactive view. So if you want, we this map file export in your Google Drive. So we use the export function. We use our export function. Wait a second. So we use export function, export dot image dot to drive. Export this classified LULC land use land cover file store it in our Google Drive. So there's image name classification description. Uh, I said the description name real time dynamic world 2000. 18 we started 2018. Then scale 10 meter resolution. This resolution provide in data set 10 meter resolution. Then we make pixel set 1e13. So we click to the now we click to the run our console tab, and task tab will be running. So total 10 band present here, 9 band, and last band is 11. So water double level 0 to 9, total 10 band with level, total 10 band present here. And Our task tab will open a real-time dynamic world 2018. It's said in the description. Said description mm, of export 30 file. So we set another folder. We set this folder another folder. Okay. When we set the folder name, so for this this description real-time dynamic world 2018 TIFF file is stored in the folder name dynamic real-time. So we export our TIFF file to Google Drive. Then click to the run on Google Earth is in desktop working. When it properly or successfully export to our Google Drive, then we download it and go to our ArcMap or ArcGIS application or software, and we use a final map view of dynamic world, global dynamic world, land use, land cover data. So today is no more. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.